Watch how I simplify this fraction under some minutes. And the first one, number one, we'll have 3 whole number 2 over 5 plus 4 whole number 1 over 6. These are mixed fractions. Don't suffer yourself changing them to improper fraction. Just call it 3 plus 4 will give us 7 whole number. Then 5 times 6 is 30. Draw a line and write 30. Then at this stage you have to cross multiply. Just multiply like this. 6 with times 2, it will give us 12 plus 5 with times 1, it will give us 5. So the answer is 7 whole number. 12 plus 5 is 17 all over 30. And that's just the answer. Let's see the second one. In the second one, we'll have 6 whole number 3 over 4 plus 1 whole number 1 over 2. So what you've got to do is to still say 6 whole number plus 1 whole number, it will give us 7 whole number. You draw a line and say 4 times 2 is 8. Then cross multiply. 3 with times 2, 4 with times 1. 2 times 3 will give us 6 plus 4 times 1 will give us 4. And this is equivalent to 7 whole number. 6 plus 4 is 10 all over 8. Surprisingly, 2 can divide. 2 here is 5. 2 here is 4. So this is 7 whole number 5 over 4. But still, you cannot have an improper fraction in every mixed fraction. So this 5 over 4, you change 5 over 4 to a mixed fraction. It will give us 1 whole number 1 over 4, so that you can comfortably add 7 and 1. When I add 7 and 1, I will get 8 whole number 1 over 4. Okay, so let's see number 3. Number 3 will have 7 whole number 4 all over 5 minus 4 whole number 3 over 4. You just say 7 minus 4 whole number will give us 3 whole number. You draw your line. Now 5 times 4 is 20. You write 20. Then cross multiply. You cross multiply. 4 is times 4. 5 is times 3. But please, you must start the cross multiplication from the right hand side. If you start from the left, it is wrong. So 4 times 4 will give us 16 minus 5 times 3 will give us 15. And this is now the same thing as 3 whole number. 16 minus 15 is 1 all over 20. And that's just the answer. So let's take the last one. In the last one, we'll have 6 whole number 2 over 3 minus 2 whole number 7 all over 10. As usual, you say 6 whole number minus 2 whole number. That will give us 4 whole number. You draw a line. 3 times 10 is 30. Okay. Then you cross multiply as usual. 10 with times 2, 3 with times 7. 10 times 2 is 20 minus 3 times 7 is 21. Unfortunately, you cannot remove 21 from 20. Then you must go and borrow. When you borrow 1 from your whole number will reduce to 3. But what you are borrowing, call it the denominator, because that one I borrowed from this whole number is seen as 30 over 30, because the denominator is 30. If my denominator is 20, to be 20 over 20, because 30 over 30 is equivalent to that one I am borrowing. So anything you borrow is equivalent to your denominator. So my denominator is 30. If I carry 30 and add to 20, it becomes 50. So this is as good as saying 50 minus 21, and it will give us 29 all over 30. And this is just the answer. Thank you.